the location for parasailing, fly fishing, glass bottom boat, rigid hull snorkeling, trout fishing, bottom fishing, sandbar adventures, backcountry fishing, and adult snorkeling.
Thanks. Huh? Oh, whole fruit in there. Oh my. Okay. Yeah. What you doing? Oh, look at the pelican. That's why it's called Pelican
Bay.
Bay.
That's why it's called Pelican Bay.
That's why it's called Pelican.
Let me do it too. Let me walk this way now. Because these are sandy.
Oops, sorry. That's okay.
Now it's your head is hot. This morning it was cold. It's not warning that bad at least.
It's not like how
Clouds are
earlier,
clearing
bro.
up. Oh yes, it's a long walk for us.
A long walk.
Mama, that's gonna go because she got wet. You're medium again or not? Yeah, medium.